So, where were you that morning?
I was at home in Brooklyn. When it happened, I went outside to the street. I could see the towers on fire. I wasn't doing until 6 that night. We worked shifts, and Patrick was on that morning. I made an entry in the log at 10:15. I got there 20 minutes after the second tower went down. The engine and truck went out at 8:52. We have a video camera at the door with a time clock. You can see them go out. We lost 14, 8 from 60 truck, 6 from the engine. 2 survived, both drivers. 1 from the engine and 1 driving the truck. The last thing Pat said was, "We're going into Tower 1." You see, there was this really stupid thing. You know those big orange plastic cones they use for traffic? On the way down, the ladder truck ran over one and it got wedged up under the fender. You can't go anywhere till you get the cone out. So Steve, the driver, he's out there wrestling and cursing that cone, and it just won't come out. So Pat says, "Come on, guys, we'll go on. It's only a couple of blocks, and Steve can meet us down there. We're going to Tower 1. So Steve finally gets the cone out and heads down. He makes it into the lobby of Tower 1, and he's trying to find where the company went. And he gets blown out the lobby of Tower 1 by the collapse of Tower 2. He gets blown clear out of that lobby. Hitting that stupid cone saved his life. They still haven't found the guys. I don't know where they are. When the second plane hit Tower 2, maybe they went there. I just have no idea. I keep trying to figure it out. Yeah. No reason. You see, the night before, I says to Pat, "You want to work first shift or second shift?" We do this all the time, trade off. And there was always a reason. He'd say, "I'll work today, you work tomorrow. I'll work tomorrow, you work today." He'd say, "I got my daughter's soccer practice, I got this, I got that." There was always a reason. But that night he just says, "Oh, I'll work Tuesday morning." This time there was no reason. He didn't give a reason. I'm alive and he's dead, and I don't even know why. I lie awake nights asking, what was the reason? Okay. I guess he was a perfectionist. It used to drive him nuts if something didn't work right, if something was messy, if the probies were loafing around the firehouse, he'd say, "Do something useful, sweep or something." Or if they were sitting around the kitchen, he'd say, "Don't just sit there, read something." That was Patrick. I tell you, every day at the firehouse, I still think he's going to walk through that door.